But I think just generally, for HR people, understanding data, understanding how to use I think is absolutely necessary at the moment. Again, going back to our previous conversation about learning and development, it's very fortunate 2 years ago to be able to learn about data analytics in HR. And again, that just gives you a different perspective on how we can use data to analyze different things and behavior, and help us to make better decisions. So to my mind, there's definitely a space for it that we can use it. And I think if you've got the right people doing it, it can definitely enhance your business. You need, just like anything, if you're going to do it properly, you need to get the right people in to come and do it for you. It's not, if you want to get the best business benefit from it, get the right person in those roles to make sure that you're understanding what's going on, what the outcomes are, what that data looks like underneath, what those biases potentially look like. Make sure you've got the right people in those roles so that you can place reliance on the work that they're doing.
So your thoughts are that the people who are going to, the best I can say, manage that, or to look into, or to investigate that person or people are going to be important, and the choice of those people is integral in terms of dealing with this challenge. Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely, and I think that's a team approach, Jonathan, that's needed there, because while you can have your tech experts and your AI experts, who are obviously really important, there's a really important role for that. In terms of how that data is understood and used, you might need to have a multi-skilled team behind it as well, so that you can understand, well, what's the people impact of that business decision if we're going to use this? What's the finance decision impact? What's the risk management impact of this? So almost, again, like looking at this from building teams that have got multifaceted experts in them to be able to lead in the AI revolution, and making sure that your top management is really not highly skilled, but they definitely need to be literate as far as AI, data analytics, and things like that go, because that's just the way of the world. It's the way that the future's moving, and again, it goes back to how much reliance can you place on the information that's before you if you don't know where it's come from. So there's there's quite a long answer, I suppose, that goes in behind that, but it's complicated and it's exciting, because again, this is where the world is growing to.